Okay, today we are going to do another one of these where we take a look at some software. Today I am going to be using Canva. Now let's go and take a look at it over here. I need to design a banner for my LinkedIn page, and I was going to do this in GIMP. You know, I like using GIMP, but Canva is very easy. So I am going to just type in LinkedIn here, and there it pops up. LinkedIn banner, and we're going to look through these. They have quite a selection, and this just makes it quick and easy. Kind of like that eagle. And I like this slot canyon here. I think that might be the one I'll use. Let's see here. This is for a business page, but again, it's the @GeoUS site or business page on LinkedIn. So we do have a geo theme, which I think this is nice and earthy, but we could also think of it as a business location, which something like this would work, except that certainly doesn't look like my part of California. There's another earthy one there. You know, I think we are going to take this one down here that I like right here. I'm going to just click on that. And then we could also choose these here on the side if we would like. We still have that option. I believe what I am going to add here is, I'm thinking about a box, but I'm not so sure. Let's start off just doing, let's see how this will work. I'm going to go up here to this little rainbow letter A, click on that, and we get some nice colors here. Not so sure that this will do for right now. Then we can move it. There's a little move icon here. I am planning on moving it over here into a fairly dark area. And I think I may want to play around with this color just a little bit more. I like the really blue if I can get it. But if it was lighter, very blue, that would be best. Less purple, more blue. I want to move it just a bit more. And perhaps make it a bit larger. There we go. I think I might be happy with that. Let me see here. I believe I may also try adding some additional text to this. Let's see. I will try right in here. Yeah, let's do this as a subheading. Put some text in there. Come back up here to the color. Change it to the same color, although I don't think that is going to work quite as well. We may need to add something extra to this. Not quite so sure this is going to work out. That's definitely not it. Okay, what shall we do here? That might work. Or how about this? Very light blue. It's too light. We can have it kind of subtle, I believe. I don't think we need to have it too overwhelming for this particular design. And it's just very quick, very quick. I think I am going to keep this just about like that for the time being. I may come in here and change this. One of the nice things about Canva is you can save your designs, then you can come back and edit them later, which I plan on going over that for some of my social media posts in the future. I'm liking Canva better and better the more I use it. Still kind of like having a desktop software to use though. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do here. I'm going to just hit this and do save, and then I am going to download this, and let's just do this. It's going to prepare it, and here we go. And I think that is a good enough place for it at the moment. And here is their little advertisement. So if you want to sign up, give them some money. I'm sure they can use it. And it keeps a lot of this available for all the rest of us that use it occasionally here and there. I could see having a paid account on here. I think it would be worthwhile if I used it more often. It's a good program, good online piece of software. And I think that that should about do it for today for this little demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. Come on over, use Canva, quick and easy. Have a great day. Wishing you the best. See you another time. Bye.